doing?
Allie,
No, careful. Set him on the floor.
okay, Allie, time to get back onto the floor. Yay! On the floor. On the floor. Yeah, like that. That's how you be on the floor.
Careful. If he starts falling, help him so he
I did.
doesn't.
See? There. I helped him. So he didn't fall.
Ali, Wade has your football.
Ooh! I see a wide open receiver. Ollie, look at this. Have you ever seen one of these kind of things before? Well, that was just rude. Ollie, have you ever eaten one of these things before? Actually, yeah, you have. Remember, Allie? A pretzel? Do you remember it, Allie? It was at Callie's football game, the Knights. You know, Allie? Allie, do you remember?
Is that a car? Where are your cars?
Where are your cars, Allie? Wait a minute. I saw a car earlier today. Like, these like start playing a game not under the couch. Will you like not have it?
I think that would be Ali putting him under the couch.
No, because this was.
No, 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 no. You can't have that, Ali.